Innovation that transforms, competitiveness that exceeds all forecasts, sustainability which preserves nature, people who make the difference. That is the essence of Eldorado Brasil, a 100% Brazilian company that operates in Três Lagoas, Mato Grosso do Sul, and consolidated itself as a global reference in production of cellulose from high-quality eucalyptus. With an annual production of 1.8 million tons of cellulose, the plant operates 20% above its originally designed capacity, what makes it the most efficient cellulose production plant in the world. Result obtained from the combination of state-of-the-art industrial infrastructure and a highly technological forestry model. At the field, innovation is present from genetic choices of seedlings to machines fitted with advanced sensors, ensuring precision during plantation, growth, and tree harvesting. And all operations are integrated via software that optimizes time, resources, and performance. This infrastructure, added to industrial automation and AI in productive processes, enables Eldorado Brasil to reach scale efficiency. And for cellulose to reach over 40 countries on time according to schedule, strategic logistics interconnects the production plants to the main Brazilian ports. In Santos, the Ebelog proprietary port terminal operates with latest technology and capacity to move 3 million tons of cellulose per year. And if efficiency outstands at Eldorado Brasil, sustainability is part of the company's DNA. All raw material proceeds from almost 300,000 hectares of planted forests, and over 100,000 hectares are entirely dedicated to environmental conservation. Eldorado Brasil performs monitoring of the biodiversity in all the areas, protecting fauna and flora and water resources, and preserves the natural habitat of species such as the puma, anteater, and giant armadillo. Together, the planted and native forests absorb more carbon from the atmosphere than the entire production chain releases, neutralizing this way all GHG emissions produced. And to further increase the sustainability of the industrial process, the company relies on pioneering solutions. The industrial complex operates the Onça Pintada thermal power plant, which uses biomass consisting in eucalyptus stumps and roots and discarded wood to produce renewable electricity with sufficient capacity to supply a city of 700,000 inhabitants. The company also has a mini hydroelectric plant, unprecedented in the sector, capable of generating energy for all the plant's administrative buildings using the flow of treated effluents. That is Eldorado Brasil, a global company endowed with a modern infrastructure and operations connected end to end. But what really sets it apart are its people. With over 5,000 professionals working with technical excellence, with freedom to innovate, and pride in belonging to a company that grows with opportunities for those who make everything happen. Because besides producing cellulose, Eldorado Brasil impacts the life of people and communities in Três Lagoas, in Mato Grosso do Sul, in Brazil, and the world. A JEF Company, the largest entrepreneurial group in Brazil.